SunVizion Network Inventory, the solution that allows for storing all information about network resources. It utilizes raster and vector maps of any level of detail as a background for displaying telecommunications assets. The system user can easily navigate through the map. Due to zoom-in and zoom-out operations, it is possible to access information about particular network elements. The tool allows for processing data depicting any type of telecommunication resources: infrastructure, buildings, cables, radio and WDM, SDH, SONET and other technologies. For instance, in case of fiber optical network system, the user is able to track network topology, generate dynamic diagrams, analyze structure of particular optical cables, fiber colors, ports, connection types, available capacity, established connections. The SunVizion application allows for adjusting network elements layout to user preferences. It is also possible to analyze cross-connections at particular nodes and navigate through adjacent nodes. The application allows for tracking particular fiber connections, display component spans, nodes and cross-connections in particular nodes as well as connection trace. It is possible to search for objects by using an object identifier, a name, and user-defined criteria. Filter objects may be displayed in resource tree window from where they may be located and highlighted on the map window. The system user is capable of accessing information about cable correlation with infrastructure resources, poles, manholes, and conduits. It is possible to highlight and display infrastructure elements where particular cables are laid. Infrastructure schema displays sequence of manholes and conduits utilized to transport a selected cable. The application allows for displaying information associated with particular manholes, conduit profiles, and cables running through the node. It is also possible to display duct profiles and their utilization. With such information, it is easy to verify available capacity and plan network expansion. Let's look at another project and application capabilities related to coaxial segment of the network. With SunVizion Network Inventory, it is possible to analyze inside planned aspects of the network. Among others, it is possible to display building schemas which are generated on the fly. Building schema displays vertical building structure, staircases, floors, network elements installed in the building, cable connections within given buildings, and home points representing potential and existing subscribers. In relation to connected subscribers, it is possible to display associated devices and services. It is also possible to show how given building is connected to the network and to which optical node. From operational management point of view, it is important to know how TV signal and other services are provided to customers. The other interesting aspect is the ability to determine what part of the network segment is supplied with power by means of given power supply, or to which power supply segment a given network element belongs. SunVizion application allows to generate on-the-fly connection diagrams between network elements of the coaxial network. In particular, it is possible to display calculated signal parameters associated with displayed network elements, connected ports, cable, and device types. and similar diagram but for larger network. The important system feature is the failure and outage management capability. It is possible to view active and historical failures, analyze failure history related to a given network element, display failure parameters, and highlight an affected segment. It is possible to search for a broken element, display its location on the map, as well on the inside plan diagram. With SunVizion Network Inventory, it is possible to model any device structure, for example, with the composition on floor plans, racks, shelves, and cards and their parameters. It is also possible to run predefined reports associated with network elements stored in the system. The application allows for displaying network element parameters and external files like pictures and specs associated with them.